up, you guys? It's Brittany from Brittany's Beauty, and today we're doing one of my favorite videos that is going around the internet right now. Hopefully, if you haven't seen this video going around yet, this will bring you into the loophole of YouTube that I fell into about a month ago, month and a half, 2 months. And to be honest, I'm technically still watching these videos, but it is the I bought the first 5 things that blank social media told me to. So basically, social media creeps you, listens to your conversations. No, I'm kidding. But they follow on kind of what you look at, what ads you click, and who you follow, what you like, what you talk about, what you tag. And so Instagram has told me to buy the next 5 things I'm about to show you. So first up, we are going to do the one that's already kind of started. So this is called Colorista Hairspray. Temporary 1-day color. I bought rose gold because of the ad. She was doing rose gold braids for New Year's Eve or for Christmas, something like that. So basically, shake it. You're supposed to wear a towel, but I'm a little lazy and drop my towel on the floor. We're just gonna do a random one, maybe in the front. You're supposed to hold it about 15 to 30 centimeters away. I went into my local Shoppers because I know they carried this brand. I've seen the tubes of semi-permanent color, which were super popular this summer. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but you know, I'm not exactly the most technical. And why not just hop into it? This doesn't really look like rose gold to me, but do I hate it? Absolutely not. Would I do this again? To be honest, yes, I would. For $15.99, I got it on sale for, I believe, $13.99 at Shoppers. I didn't know the spray was a thing, so there's a 1-day color. When would you ever use this, though, was what I was thinking. But if it was my birthday, oh, by the way, they have quite a few colors. There was a few shades of pinks, there was blues, there was purples, there was a red, I think, but there was a dark blue that I might go back and get because I was thinking for my birthday, well, this color was in the ad, but this I would totally wear for New Year's Eve. I would put some streaks in my hair. I've always wanted red streaks, so I may go back and get the red, but the dark blue was like a navy blue, and I thought it would look really cool and blonde. And it's really quick. Would I use this with like my little sister? Totally. She's like obsessed with dyeing her hair, but this washes out with shampoo. You don't have to worry about screwing it up unless it doesn't wash out. Could you imagine? I don't know if you can hear me over this, but I would actually be so mad. This blonde is already pretty bronzy, and if that didn't wash out, oh, I like that. See, like, it's just so different. It's just like simple, and it's supposed to dry, and then when I shower tomorrow or tonight, it'll just like be back to normal. My hand is so sparkly. Maybe that's supposed to be the gold portion because it just looked kind of pink to me. But I like it. I'm okay with it. Do I recommend? Yes. Would I repurchase? Yes. So the next thing was a little pricey, but it made me laugh. I would never buy this any other time. The fact that it was Black Friday when I started this company's called Friendship Collar. Friendship Collar. Do you think out of all the things, what would a company called Friendship Collar sell? If you're thinking best friend bracelets for you and your cat, you are correct. Do I need one? No. Does my cat need one? Yes. So I bought us, of course, matching friendship bracelets. My cat has his on right now. It's literally the exact same thing as this. So I got us the chevron gray and white pattern. It's got a little gold clasp, and his has the same thing except for the clasp isn't like super tight. It's one of those breakaways, so there's no choking hazard, which is really nice to see in a collar. I wouldn't have purchased this any other time, but it was on sale. It was like 20% off. I think it was $45.89 including shipping. And it comes with mine, his, and this little pouch to hold it in. I have yet to wear this, but you know what? Friendship bracelet with my cat. Would I repurchase? Yes. But only reason I'm doing that is because I have one other cat. Don't judge me. And I would buy her a collar just to match with the 3 of us kind of thing. And yeah, price a little high. Would I ever spend it on a collar? Only because I feel like my one cat's left out. Would I repurchase any other reason? No. Really expensive. Not about that for a cat. Some people are, though. A lot of people buy them. Not going to judge them. Do I rate it quality-wise? Yes, a solid 8 out of 10. The -2 is because it's not a necessity. I just can't stop laughing the fact that Instagram is supposed to watch what you share, what you like, and what you post kind of thing, and geared towards what you also do on Facebook because they're sister companies. And it's like you sit at home on a Saturday night, don't you? And you like pictures of cats. And you tag your girlfriend in single memes, don't you? Yes, yes I do. Thank you for that. Come to me with cat things to buy. And the next thing completely relates to what I just told you. Single Swag is a subscription service for single people who just want to love themselves. You don't need a man to buy you things. Buy yourself a box. Get presents every month. So this was, I think, $49 something. This was $49.02 with shipping, and I think it was 10 or 20% off as well for Boxing Day week. So this comes with a little card, and it looks like 12 products. I got the biggest box you could buy. There was 2 different sizes, and I accidentally forgot to unsubscribe, so next month I will have one. If you like the stuff in here, let me know if you want me to unbox the next one. So this looks like quite a bit of stuff. Holy. Total retail value, $215. For spending 50 bucks, that's a pretty good deal. It's an extra $165 that I didn't pay for. So first up, I am seeing a Flawless silicone blender by the brand Mirabella. I have used them before. I can't remember what it was. I think it was a brush and a blush I think I have in my drawer actually. So it's just a little silicone blender. It actually feels really good. It's pretty thick compared to the ones I normally have tried. They're usually really thin and like a lot bigger, but it feels really nice. I will definitely try this. I will add it to my beauty bag to try and test out. The next thing, oh yeah, food. What single girl doesn't need food? And chocolate. So this is Brownie Brittle Chocolate Chip. So it looks like super thin baked cookie kind of things, chip things, and it says, a chocolate indulgence you can feel good about. I feel good about any junk food I put in this body. It is a temple. I will worship it. Next up is a Make Your Dreams Happen 2018 planner, it looks like. And this one has a monthly page, and then it looks like notes. So no daily, which kind of sucks, but I do not have a planner yet, so I probably will use this until I get something that has daily pages. And I am seeing a Lolia At Last hand cream, white petals and rice flour. Not really a big fan of flowery scents, but let's see. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. I don't know what white flowers smell like, but I like it. Or what rice, whatever it was. Rice flour. Rice flour and white petals. I'm about that. I don't have hand cream and my hands have been so dry and cracking. I'm totally okay with this. And the packaging is freaking cute. Yes, please. Next up is something by the brand Adore. Essential Facial Detoxifying Cream Cleanser. Organic Innovation. A mild wash naturally cleanses and removes deep-seated impurities in a single step from the face and eye area. Plant stem cells, blah, blah, blah. Ideal for all skin types. That's cool. I could always use a cleanser. I do like mine with green tea, but I will definitely try this. Hopefully it works. I have a lot of acne up under here. And next I am seeing a stick called Glamazon. Ooh, and I just broke it. So this is going to be a no for me. It looks like it was a highlighter or a sparkly bronzer stick. I'm just going to throw that out. I don't know if it broke in packaging. Doesn't really matter. Wouldn't have used cream products anyways. My skin's too oily for that. And then there was this little pouch, cute little design on it, and it is a bracelet with rose gold beads. I'm not really a big bracelet wearer, and to be honest, with the string, I don't like that style. It looks cheap to me, if that makes sense. I know that probably sounds really rude. Let's see how much this was worth. Bracelet, bracelet, bracelet. Oh my god. This was $45. I would not pay that. Yes, it's in a little leather pouch, but I would not pay that. I could make this. No offense. I could go to Michael's and I probably have string in my cupboard and I could buy beads. Oh my god, $45. It doesn't look like it. That's the only thing I'm hating on in that little stick. But everything else in the bag was okay. Box, in the box. Was totally okay. I'm about it. And I'm a little excited for the next one, to be honest. If you guys want to see that, please comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. I will definitely do it. I may just do an unboxing on my Instagram story, so follow my Instagram if you haven't already. The first thing that I picked up was Ari lashes. So these were promoted for, I believe, 20% off the original price at the time. Mink lashes, they're supposed to be good for up to 25 wears. I have never worn eyelashes, so I thought this was like a daring out there thing. Otherwise, if it wasn't for this video, I probably would have never bought them. So these are mink lashes. Not sure how I feel about it being mink. I kind of feel really bad, but sometimes they're farmed nicely, they say. Well, not putting that out there for debate today. Not on this video. I bought it for the video. It was one of the very first things that was recommended to me. So with shipping and the discount and everything, they came to $34.01 Canadian dollars. So I mean, for something I can wear 25 times is awesome, but the fact that they didn't come with lash glue, I'm a little bummed out. I'm sure if I read the details it would have said that, but they are just some gorgeous tapered lashes. I don't own lash glue, so we're not going to be able to try them on for you today, but what I will do is follow my Instagram. Once I buy lash glue, I will put them on and do a very nice review of them, how they wear and everything like that. They feel really light and they are super soft. They don't feel pokey like the, I guess, plastic is what the other eyelashes are made out of. So how I'm going to kind of rate these is, would I purchase this again? Yes. Not in this exact style, obviously, but for the price of it, I'm sure they're going to go on sale again. I would definitely buy them. They seem very well made. I think the packaging is adorable. They also send you a cute thank you card and a crap ton of gold glitter stars in the package. Like just this little pack, but there's so much. My floor is covered and looks like a galaxy, which I'm not mad about. I just kind of wish I had the heads up. And next up, because the one I really wanted to show you, I technically bought 6 items. The number 5 that I was going to put in this video was a really beautiful glitter palette from the brand or from the website Fan Coda. Do not buy from them. I have been waiting 3 months now. I only got a partial refund and they said if it doesn't come within the next 60 days, then I can have the rest of my money back. Bull crap. So mad about it. I don't even want it anymore, but it looks so pretty, almost to the point that it couldn't be true from like a knockoff brand or not like a high-end brand. So next up, I purchased Hubble contacts. If you wear glasses, these have probably been popping up all over your Facebook and Instagram. I got them on Black Friday weekend for $4 for your first 15 pairs. So basically you paid shipping. And honestly, I'm wearing them now. Feel super comfortable. The first day I put them in, it kind of hurt. Don't really have much to say about it. It's kind of a cool idea. I just don't know if they're cheaper. I buy daily ones from my eye doctor usually, and to be honest, I think they're roughly the same price, but I buy them in bulk for about a year's worth around going back to school time. They have sales. So this is supposed to be like a super cheap way to do it. I think monthly when you get the full subscription. I am still signed up, so I will get the next one, but it's about $40-something I think, or $50, and you get a full month's worth. So basically it's supposed to save you the hassle of having to remember when you're about to run out of contacts. You just kind of log in. The only thing you ever have to worry about updating is if your prescription changes. And they do let you, if you have one eye stronger than the other, mine are 2 different prescriptions, so one eye is stronger, they do let you do 1 box of each, which is nice. Some brands don't. And I find that a really cool thing for it being an online subscription service. Nice that I don't have to worry about it again, but do I think it's cheaper? Probably not. It's probably roughly the same, to be honest. Okay, so that is everything Instagram told me to buy. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the beauty community here on Britany's Beauty, Britany's channel thing, because I'm going to spend more money and I'm going to let social media control what I buy. I want to do more of these. I think I'll do Facebook next. If there's a certain one that you guys have been obsessed with, Facebook or YouTube ads, comment down below. Let me know which one I should do next. And until next time, beauties, have a great night and enjoy your holidays. Bye.